Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video I am going to talk about how to dropship with Shopee in the Philippines. So here you can see this is our Shopee.com platform where we have the welcome message, welcome to Shopee. So here we are going to click on Philippines. Once I click over here, now it will redirect you to here to create an account. So I don't have any account yet, so I am going to create an account by using Google. So I have an Google account, so that is makes me so much easy and smooth account creation. So here you can see they are asking for verify, so I'm going to verify it, and then I redirect to over that place. So here now I am going to open Shopify. Once I open it, then you can see this is our dashboard panel, and here I need to be search for drop shipping Shopee drop shipping. So you can, as you can see, we already get the suggestion. So I'm going to click this app, and now I will install it to my Shopify store. Once I install it, then I will choose my product which niche I am in. So this is will be the perfect for me. So I'm going to click over here, and then I will download image. So you need to be install it. Once you complete your install, then it will redirect you to the next page where you can install it for your Shopify store. So then once you complete Shopee, then you need to be go over here and you need to be add a product like similar this one. Once you done this one, then you need to be some other process complete. So the process is really simple. I hope you love this video. If you think this process was really helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. I will catch you in the next video.